Imagine this. Two meme coins named after the most polarizing couple in modern American politics, Trump and Melania, are suddenly dominating crypto headlines. Some call it a financial revolution, others call it a joke. But what if these coins could shape the future of meme investments? And more importantly, could they make you a fortune or leave you broke? Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, we're diving deep into the launch of these meme coins, uncovering what's real, what's hype, and what it means for your financial future. Let's start with the big picture. Meme coins. Love them or hate them, they've redefined the way we think about crypto investments. First, there was Dogecoin. What began as a joke turned into a multi-billion-dollar market. Then came Shiba Inu, a coin that gave early adopters life-changing wealth. But let's be honest, for every Dogecoin millionaire, there's a guy holding fluffy coin, wondering why his portfolio looks like a train wreck. So where do Trump and Melania fit into this chaotic, high-risk world? To answer that, we need to understand how these coins were launched and why they've gained so much attention. Both Trump and Melania were launched with massive fanfare. Their creators leveraged the political and cultural weight of their namesakes, creating a buzz that instantly caught the attention of traders, influencers, and yes, meme lords. The launch parties? Think private Discord servers, exclusive NFT drops, and promises of utility tied to political movements. Some are even saying these coins could influence political fundraising in 2024 and beyond. But wait, does that sound like a financial revolution or just a very clever marketing ploy? Hold that thought. Now, here's where things get serious. $Trump and $Melania are meme coins, which means they're speculative by nature. Sure, early investors could see massive gains, but let's not forget the dark side. Pump and dump schemes, volatile swings, and projects that vanish overnight. Remember Squid Coin? It skyrocketed 35,000%. Then the developers vanished, leaving investors with nothing. Could Trump and Melania follow a similar path? Hold on to that thought because, in just a moment, we'll explore the red flags and the hidden potential behind these coins. One key factor in any coin's success is its community. Both Trump and Melania are leveraging polarized audiences, supporters who view them as a statement and detractors who treat them as satire. This duality creates a unique dynamic, but does it translate into long-term value? Let's look at the numbers, the roadmaps, and, most importantly, what the experts are saying about the future of these coins. So, are Trump and Melania good investments or financial landmines? The truth lies somewhere in between. Their roadmaps promise utility, staking, governance, even integration with future NFT ecosystems. But promises in the crypto world are cheap. Execution is what matters. If you're thinking of investing, the clock is ticking. Early adopters always get the lion's share, but FOMO can lead to disaster. Remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Seriously, your rent money doesn't belong in MELANIA. Unless you're ready to explain that to your landlord. Here's the kicker. Some analysts believe these coins are just the beginning. They predict a wave of politically themed cryptocurrencies that could redefine meme investing. But will this trend last, or is it a bubble waiting to burst? Before you decide, let's summarize what you need to know to protect your money and capitalize on opportunities. Ultimately, Trump and Melania represent both the best and worst of crypto. Innovation wrapped in unpredictability. If you're willing to take the risk, do your research and diversify your portfolio. The key is staying informed. Remember, the path to wealth isn't about chasing every trend. It's about making calculated moves and building a strategy that works for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth financial insights, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we'll navigate the wild world of finance and crypto. See you in the next one.